Oh.
Try your best. We will have a swimming pool. I think we need a water pump.
Huh?
Okay, I got an idea.
Swimming pool is full of water. Ready, set, go!
Huh?
Water all gone now.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
This prisoner.
Ever seen it? Ever seen it?
Never ever seen.
Look, that prisoner.
Hey, we found him.
Bridges across the pool.
Oh no! How can I cross these bridges? Why don't I build a car to cross the bridge?
How the tank car was made. Step 1. Build the body car. Step 2. Build the wheel. Step 3. Complete installation. The slime pool.
Stop! Stop, or I'll shoot!
Slime wrapped around the wheel, making it impossible for us to continue moving.
Catch me?
Good luck with that.
Oh, what the? Put your hands in the air.
You are arrested.
You know what?
The boss is looking for a delivery truck. I will build it to get money.
What? I also build the car to get that money.
Let's see which one will win.
Okay, I agree. How to build the chain shaker. Step 1. Build the chain shaker frame. Step 2. Build the container. Step 3. Assemble the container into the vehicle. What about your vehicle?
Here it is.
How to build the Summit Seeker. Step 1. Build the Summit Seeker frame. Step 2. Build the reduction motor. Step 3. Build container. Step 4. Assemble the container into the vehicle.
Let's start.
Level 1. Speed test. Chain shaker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Fail. Oh no. Summit Seeker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Pass.
You lose.
Let's try again. Level 2. Bump. Chain shaker. Fail. The Summit Seeker. Fail. The boss will be pleased with us.
I think so.
What are you guys doing with my Lego parts? Salary cut.
Salary cut.
This is an automated gas station simulating how fuel is pumped in real life. When truck arrives to refuel, the pumping process starts on the surface.
Oh!
The secret lies in 3 independent underground tanks. Fuel is pumped upward and delivered to each corresponding pump. This way, fuel is gradually drawn from the tanks to fully refuel the truck. How is a Lego gas station built? It starts with this sand container to hold 3 fuel tanks. Eco 163 for eco-friendly vehicles. Mid-grade 179 for heavier trucks. Regular 169 for regular cars. Next, insert 3 tubes into each tank to carry fuel up. Now let's set up the pumping station on top. But first we need to build the petrol pump. I'll use this motor as the main pump core to generate the pressure. Next, 2 pistons are added on both sides to drive the pumping motion. Then finish the petrol pump. Connect the tubes. And add the battery box. Wow! The pump sits at the back inside the gas station's convenience store area. This back wall has a plastic tube. It will carry fuel up to the pump from the underground tanks. And then finish building the convenience store. Now we'll move on to making a gas dispenser unit. It handles fuel delivery and display, connecting the vehicle to the underground fuel tanks below. And this hose and nozzle will transfer fuel directly into the vehicle. There are 3 gas dispensers, each matched to 1 underground tank. They're then covered by a shared canopy, forming the main refueling area. And finally, 2 internal lanes allow cars to enter and exit. Now the Lego automatic gas station is complete. Next, we'll move on to the second guest. This young boy chooses regular 169, a better fit for his car. Below, the red fuel tank is activated, drawing fuel up into the pump. The pump then pushes the fuel upward, sending it directly to the gas pump above. Tank, pump, and dispensers work together in one smooth, continuous process. Not just one at a time, the station can refuel all 3 vehicles simultaneously. 3 fuel types for 3 different vehicles, all pumped until refueling is complete. And that's how this Lego gas station works. It's a complete system.
Tomorrow is our restaurant's grand opening day. We need something big to impress our guests.
Oh! I've got it, boss. The food wheel will deliver meals like a Ferris wheel.
Let's see what you got. Behold, the food wheel. The machine will impress everyone.
Wow. It's so huge. Impressive.
Now please order your food, boss. The food wheel will serve you at your table. Okay, a burger and a soda. Coming. Impressive. You did it, Maxie. This will make us famous. Yes! I know I'm a genius, boss.
How to build the food wheel. Ferris wheel. Step 1. Build the rim Ferris wheel. Step 2. Build double stand support. Step 3. Build the motors. Step 4. Connect the rim to double stand support. Step 5. Build the tray.
I heard they've got a food Ferris wheel. Awesome.
Delicious. This food wheel is so cool.
We're going viral.
Your dish is ready, boss.
Okay. Let's eat simply today. Spaghetti. Coming!
System glitch detected.
Wait, what?
Today is a great day. Maxie, what just happened?
I'm so sorry, boss, and it's just an accident.
Maxie, you're fired! That's awesome! Do it again!
I want to try!
Well, I guess customers like this. Told you, boss. No more fired, okay? I'm a genius.